How did Mr. Beast amass his millions? What is the secret behind his success? How can we achieve something like that? In this video, we'll dive into the money mindset of Mr. Beast and find out how he became one of the richest YouTubers in the world. I had to work extremely hard for many years to reach this level of success. There were times when I didn't know if things would ever work out. But with patience and persistence, I was able to build up my business and make enough money to live the life I wanted. Now I'm in a position where I can afford to buy whatever I want and do whatever I set my mind to. This video is for anyone who wants to be successful in their own life. If you follow the advice in this video, you can achieve anything you want. Let's get started. Most people think that Mr. Beast became famous because of his huge amount of money. However, that's not the whole story. Before he became successful, he lived in a small apartment with 3 roommates and worked long hours every day to save up money so he could start his own channel. He reinvested all of his earnings back into the business until it took off and made him a millionaire. When Mr. Beast first started making videos, they weren't very popular. He kept going even though he wasn't getting any views or subscribers. This shows that even rich people have to put in a lot of effort before they see results, even though it took time for his channel to grow. Once it did, he was able to earn more money from sponsorships and ad revenue. With this extra income, he was able to keep making better quality videos, which led to even more success. He never gave up on his dream of becoming a successful YouTuber, no matter how hard things got. Because of his hard work and dedication, Mr. Beast is now one of the most popular YouTubers in the world with over 100 million subscribers. If you want to be successful, you have to be willing to put in the hard work and make sacrifices. You also need to be patient and persistent in your efforts. Don't give up on your dreams just because you haven't seen results yet. Keep trying, and eventually you will succeed. Mr. Beast is known for his luxurious lifestyle, but most people don't know how he built his fortune. Here are some interesting facts about his wealth that you might not already know. He started investing early on. Mr. Beast began investing his money at a young age and has since grown his net worth to an estimated $20 million. He has said that he believes in the power of compound interest and that's why he's been able to achieve such great financial success. He's a savvy businessman. In addition to investing, Mr. Beast is also a savvy businessman who has been able to capitalize on opportunities that have come his way. He's taken risks and made bold moves that have paid off and contributed to his overall wealth. He's disciplined with his finances. One of the reasons why Mr. Beast has been so successful financially is because he is disciplined with his money. He doesn't spend more than he can afford, and he makes sure to save a portion of his income every month. This discipline has allowed him to invest in properties, businesses, and other assets that have generated income for him. He's not afraid to ask for help. While Mr. Beast is a self-made millionaire, he's not afraid to ask for help when needed. He's surrounded himself with a team of experienced professionals who help him manage his finances, investments, and businesses. This has allowed him to focus on growing his empire, while his team handles the day-to-day operations. Mr. Beast's success is a testament to the fact that anyone can become wealthy. If they are willing to put in the effort and make sacrifices, he's not from a privileged background and has had to work hard for everything he has achieved. His story is an inspiration to many, and his financial success is a result of his hard work, savvy business skills, and disciplined approach to money. There are some key takeaways from his story that can help anyone who wants to achieve financial success. Firstly, it's important to start investing early on. Mr. Beast began investing his money at a young age and has since grown his net worth to an estimated $20 million. If you want to be financially successful, then you need to start investing as soon as possible. It's never too early to begin. Secondly, being a savvy businessman is crucial to achieving financial success. Mr. Beast has been able to capitalize on opportunities that have come his way and take risks and make bold moves that have paid off. To be financially successful, you need to be willing to take risks and not be afraid of failure. You also need to be able to negotiate and make smart decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Thirdly, it's important to be disciplined with your finances, spending more than you can afford and making sure to save a portion of your income every month. This discipline has allowed him to invest in properties, businesses, and other assets that have generated income for him. To achieve financial success, you need to be disciplined with your spending and saving habits. Develop a budget and stick to it. Track your expenses and make sure you're not spending more than you should. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. While Mr. Beast is a self-made millionaire, he's not afraid to ask for help when needed. To be financially successful, you need to be willing to learn from others and take advice from those who have more experience than you. You want to be afraid to ask questions and seek out mentors who can guide you on your journey to financial success. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success, just like Mr. Beast. Remember that achieving financial success takes time and effort. You won't become a millionaire overnight, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals. While Mr. Beast's real estate portfolio is impressive, there are some key takeaways from his journey that can help aspiring investors get started on their own path to success. Firstly, start small and work your way up. Mr. Beast didn't start out with a lot of money. He began by investing in rental properties and gradually built up his portfolio over time. This is a great way to get started in real estate investing, as it allows you to gain experience and build equity without risking too much money. Secondly, diversify your investments. Mr. Beast doesn't put all of his eggs in one basket. He invests in a variety of properties in different locations to spread out his risk. This is an important strategy for any investor to follow, as it can help mitigate potential losses and maximize returns. Thirdly, do your research. Before investing in any property, Mr. Beast takes the time to do his research and make sure it's a sound investment. This includes analyzing the local market, understanding the property's potential, and considering the costs associated with owning and maintaining the property. Taking the time to do your research can help you avoid costly mistakes and make a profitable investment. Finally, be patient and persistent. Finding the right investment opportunities can take time, and it's important to be patient and persistent in your search. Don't settle for the first property you come across, and be prepared to walk away from a deal if it doesn't make sense. With patience and persistence, you'll eventually find the right investment opportunities that meet your criteria. Overall, Mr. Beast's real estate portfolio is truly impressive, and his success in this area is a testament to his hard work and dedication. By following the tips above, you can start building your own real estate empire and achieve similar success. Remember to start small, diversify your investments, do your research, and be patient and persistent in your search for the best opportunities. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Mr. Beast and his financial journey. If you have any thoughts or comments, please share them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.